Welcome back to another vlog. So just to get right into it, my name is Monet Battle. If you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. I will be your favorite YouTuber starting right now. So today and the next few days, we will be getting ready for our trip to Orlando. So I will be going on a trip with some of my college teammates to Orlando for a week. So your girl, I just put up to the nail salon. I'm about to go get these things done because y'all, like, they are super grown out, and I'm just pretty much bringing y'all to my appointments. So come with me to my appointment. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into the vlog. So I just got back home from the nail salon, and y'all, my nails bomb. So I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, but yeah, it's raining and I was planning on going to the gym, but people in Atlanta can't drive when it's raining, so I'd rather not risk my life and my car to go to the gym. So I guess I'm probably just gonna eat and do a home workout. And I don't know why I said I'm gonna bring y'all to my appointments with me, because that was really my only appointment. Like, I'm gonna be doing my lashes. I'm gonna be doing my lashes, my hair myself, and any body maintenance that I have to do, I'm gonna be doing it myself, because I don't know if I told y'all, like, but I'm preparing to get an apartment. So I'm trying to save money wherever I can. So that means not spending money on things that I can do myself. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all my nails now, and I'm gonna be quiet. These are the motherfucking new nails. I'm trying not to cuss y'all, but the nails for me. And yes, my girl Cairo was the inspo for it. Her and Tasha fire nails, period. So yeah, that's the nails. And I end up getting white on my toes. I know I'll be showing y'all, I don't be showing y'all my toes like that, but yeah, I got white on my toes. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and head into the house now so that I can go eat, and then I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just got to Family Dollar. I'm about to go in and get what I need for the trip. So I mean, that could be anything between toothpaste to, you know, just body care stuff or whatever it may be. But I want to make sure that I'm getting like travel size stuff so I can put it in my suitcase. And you guys, I decided to pack tonight. I'm going to be helping my boyfriend pack tonight, and then he's going to help me pack in terms of like outfits and stuff like that. So that's going to be fun. So I'm going to be washing my hair tonight, and I have a show coming up tomorrow. Not tomorrow, I have a show, I have a fashion show on Saturday, so I have to do my hair for that. But what I decided to do is just do twist. I think just do twist because they want to make sure our hair is not like all the way on the clothing, so that the clothing can be seen properly and everything. So I gotta figure out what kind of hairstyle I want to do. But we are gonna wash my hair tonight and do some maintenance stuff, cause y'all, but I don't want to shave my legs or nair. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get some nair. I probably won't end up nairing my legs until Saturday. Nah, I'm gonna nair my legs tomorrow, so that it's fresh for the show. And y'all, I'm so happy. I'm supposed to be getting my little camera tripod thing for the car tomorrow, so excited for that. But let's go in the store and get exactly what we need and nothing more. Yeah, so they didn't have any travel size stuff in Dollar General, so I'm about to head, not Dollar General, they didn't have any travel size stuff in Family Dollar, so I'm about to head over to Dollar General because I know they have stuff in Dollar General, so let's go.
A claps.
Alright guys, so I'm back home. Let's go through everything that I got from Dollar General for the trip. So first I got this like 4-piece travel kit, and I'll be using this for like my not really hair products, but my body wash that I have, because I don't want to get, they don't have the body wash that I use in the smaller bottle, so these will be helpful. And then they have a couple other other bottles that I could use. So this was just like a really nice little kit. I think it wasn't $1. I think it was like, no, it was $1. It was $1. Next I went ahead and got some more toothpaste. I like to use the Colgate whitening one, even though they tell you not to use it with braces, but I've been using the Colgate whitening even before I got braces, so I just continue to use it. And like even when I go to the dentist and stuff, they be like, oh, your teeth are like really white, this, that, and the fourth. I'm like, I guess it's because of the toothpaste. Bubba, what does red mean again?
Red?
Yeah, on toothpaste. On the toothpaste. That should be, it's fine, and it's the mix of good and bad. I mean, it's the mix of chemical and natural, right?
Oh, on the toothpaste. Oh, okay, I got you.
But yeah, I got this toothpaste. This is the kind I like to use with whitening in it. Next, you guys, I had a find. They had they had like bath bombs, and y'all, this place that the place that we're staying at has like really great like a really great bathroom. So you know, we're gonna have to buy some cleaning products to clean the tub and stuff ourselves. But yeah, I got some bath bombs. It's gonna be fire. And this one is the coconut. This one is called Coconut Coast, and then this one is called Citrus Sunrise. So I'm going to be really ready to use those. Also went ahead and picked up a new toothbrush, just because you're supposed to change toothbrushes every 3 months. I'm a little behind, but this one is the soft kind for my braces. And then I also picked up a little bottle of Listerine. And then I also picked up this Vaseline Intensive Care body lotion by Vaseline. So this will be my first time trying it, so might have to give y'all a little review of it after I get it done. But that's pretty much all I got. I didn't need too much, because a lot of the stuff I was already stocked up on. But we got the most important things, which was, you know, the care stuff that we bought. But I'm supposed to be washing my hair tonight. Hopefully I do, because yeah, I'm lazy. But I'm gonna check in with you guys if I do.
You have what you drink with a spring. I sit in the rain of the pain. This the first time seeing a rain. Little bitch, you won't even wait. Little disappointing in the face. But I hate when I grab in his face. All that booty you get in his face.
Alright, you guys, my hair is washed. It's time to pack. So I have my light set up. I'm going to put my suitcase down, and me and my boyfriend are going to go through our outfits that we're going to put together for the trip. So I'm also going to make a TikTok for that, so hopefully the TikTok will be out at the same time as this video. Let's get it.
I mean, who needs a Florida shirt?
Okay, of course you gotta add a Florida shirt. With the green
And then
shorts.
that means the green shorts have to go. What do you think of the print shirt?
I like that shirt.
Okay. And then this goes, and the black shorts have to go.
Alright, y'all, so we got most of the packing done. Still kind of working on the backpack part, but everything pretty much fit. Still missing a couple things, like my makeup bag. What the heck happened to my face? Like my makeup bag. What else? Skincare. Damn, I'm gonna pack that up on the last day. What else? There also is a couple pieces of clothing that I need to wash and put in to the suitcase, so there's that. And I still need to do my skincare, y'all. It's almost 1:30 in the morning, but it's okay. And I decided to put this hoodie on to record the TikTok, so when you guys see it, I'll have this hoodie on. But yeah, I'm pretty much finished for the night. I didn't get to record too much on the vlog, but y'all see. I'm about to get cleaned up now because I got stuff all over my floor. And this hoodie is very hot underneath this light, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow when we do my hair and maintenance stuff. So the lights are still on? What the fuck? The lights just went out. So it is 3 o'clock right now. Today is July the 15th. I have practice my model rehearsal at 5. It is 3 o'clock, so I have to do my hair right quick. So in the last clip, I was washing my little V-part wig, and y'all, it's so beautiful. I am going to record like a short TikTok on me installing the hair, and it is damp right now, so I'm going to go ahead and install this while it's damp. To do that, I'm going to be using my handy dandy Cantu shea butter with my brush, my good brush. And I would rather just blow dry my hair, but we're not going to have time to do all that. It's going to have to be a quick process, so I'm not going to do any talking. I will record a little bit for y'all on here, but yeah, I don't want to take up too much time on this. 17th. It is the last day before the vacation. And you guys, like, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, my bank has literally pissed me off for the last time. Like, y'all, I have worked, I'm gonna explain the story right quick. So basically, I have work checks that went in. So these MFers decide to lock down my whole bank account, my whole account, because they saying the checks that I deposited are giving potential suspicious activity. Like, I can't even put gas in my car today for tomorrow because they decided to lock my account down. So now I have to call them in the morning at 8 a.m. for them to unlock my account, for me to even use my cards. You serious? You serious? All right, Navy Federal. So right now, y'all, I'm just kind of finishing up packing, like, in small stuff. Packing small stuff. Kind of going through my makeup right now just to see what all I want to take. Also, I am washing my makeup brushes right now, and I am getting ready to edit like 2 to 3 vlogs today. So a lot to do just so y'all can have content while I'm gone. It's 1:56 right now, so I'm hoping that I can finish up with editing everything today and just have that prepared for next week. So, oh, by the way, y'all, if y'all haven't seen my last vlog, which is like basically the weekly vlog before y'all see this, y'all, the fashion show I had went so great. So they did end up letting me keep 2 of the outfits, this hoodie right here and then the denim jeans he made. And the designer's name is Mai. You guys definitely saw him in that video in that last week's weekly vlog at the end. And then we had Hustlehead. This was her design right here. So cute. And the shorts that came with it. So I might wear those. I might, you know, do a little something with them sometime soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that vlog, because that vlog was really lit, like. But yeah, so that's all I really wanted to do, was update y'all.
Girl, I can tell you don't know what to do. You know when I heard, I'm telling you the truth. At least most of it. I use my priorities as an excuse, so I don't know. This girl, my priority should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. And I'm alone, no one. Oh, priorities. Only I know about every lie I told him. No guy coding, we love blind those. We kiss with both eyes open. Trust me like you used to, girl. Want me like you used to.
Hey you guys, so I finished my skincare and everything. Skin looks so good lately. This is pretty much the end of the Get Ready With Me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you stay tuned for the next vlog or anything that I post on Instagram, TikTok. All the social media handles will be down in the description box. All of them are at THATS.M03, which should be right here on the screen, so you guys can go follow me right now. And I will see you guys in the very next video.